Are you having back pain with no luck in alleviating it no matter what healthcare professional you go to? Well, your back pain may be due to a condition called Diastasis Recti. I'm Julie Tupler, creator of the Tupler Technique, a program for treatment of Diastasis Recti, and I've been treating this condition for over 20 years. A diastasis recti is a separation of your outermost abdominal muscles. The function of these outermost abdominal muscles is to support your back and to support your organs. When the muscles separate, the connective tissue joining these outermost muscles stretches sideways and becomes thinner and weaker. So now it's this weak connective tissue ineffectively supporting your back, causing back problems. So the first thing that you need to do is check yourself and see if you have a diastasis. If you do, then do the Tupler technique, bring the muscles together, so now it's the muscle supporting your back instead of the weak connective tissue.